Hello, and thank you for joining me on another one of my lifestyle series videos. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dimitri, and I'm an American expat living in the Philippines. Here, I'm going to share with you how my life is going living in Metro Manila. If you find this video entertaining, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And now, sit back, relax, and enjoy as I take you on a journey of my daily life as a time-lapse traveler.
That's one of the things that you will only find in the Philippines.
So heading now towards a vulcanizing shop. I had to take a tricycle. I thought I was going to be able to walk there, but everybody's giving me different directions. And hopefully this place is actually going to be open.
I probably rely a little too much on Google Maps to find information about the businesses I need to locate. Here in the Philippines, however, this information is often either incomplete or outdated, and I have to fall back on directions the old-fashioned way, by word of mouth.
Here we are, and the place is actually open. Seems like they're in business. Ah, very cool for me. Lucky I made it, huh? Well, even though this guy has never done this model before, it seems like he really knows what he's doing, so that's cool. That's a big plus. Yeah, the funny thing is that the other vulcanizing shop that I was taken to initially, apparently they don't work on scooters like this, so luckily there's another one just down the block, basically like maybe 100 feet away. So this is like, I guess, the area for vulcanizing shops over here. Kind of like Coney Island Avenue in Brooklyn. There are a lot of car shops over there with gas stations. This is where you can get your oil changed, you know, the state inspection and stuff like that. So this neighborhood seems to be kind of like that as well. I hope this one lasts me as long as the first one did. 1,200 kilometers, or slightly more than that. Basically since I took it out of the store originally. Yeah, it took me a while to get to that number. 15 months that it took me. But yeah, here we are with a flat tire, but it's a good thing that I was able to find this place to replace it for me though. Alright, well, got a new tire. That's awesome. So now I can actually ride my scooter again. I'm so happy because I was out of commission with this thing for a little while. Back in action again. Heading back home now. And that's where I'm going to close out this video. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you did, of course, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And then you'll keep getting more videos coming at you from the Time-Lapse Traveler.